This is the beach in Tofino. Well, it's more Euclid. It's in the Pacific Rim Park. It's called Wickaninnish Beach, and right now what's really cool is there's no waves, so I can actually kayak. All the surfers have gone out of the water because the waves are not interesting for them, but it's perfect for me. So voila. Go kayaking around these rocks for maybe an hour. The sun is already so down. It's like gonna be sunset so soon. There's like a little inlet here. Sorry for those choppy movements, but that's it. It's full of anemona. Like all these little bubbles here. That's all anemonas. They're like tiny ones, like baby ones. They're everywhere. I forgot again to charge the GoPro. So the GoPro is not a problem. I am the problem because I forget to actually. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, oh, there's a little sea star here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, pink sea star. Dangling my phone over the water. I love it. Oh, there's a big one down there too. See, the water is so clear that you can actually, it is full of them. In Quebec, the ones we have are orange. Oh, look at this. It is so insane. It's just seagrass. This is some of the best kayak I've ever done in the ocean. It is so much fun. Oh my god, I can see like a snow peak over there. Yep. Sorry, it's choppy, but I'm on a kayak and I have an iPhone in my hand. And I forgot to do the GoPro thing. Oh, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? It's like, wouldn't you want to be where I am now? Sorry, that's a little bit... Okay, well, I'm gonna continue now. I'm drifting on that rock. The seals. Oh, the seal. He's right there. today is perfect. It's not too cold. It was really cold this morning when I woke up, but now it's actually perfect. And let me turn around so I don't have the sun in my face. Yeah, I didn't think I would be ever able to go kayaking on a beach in Tofino. I always thought that it was more for surfers, but today there's absolutely no waves. The seal is still there. He's always watching me. Don't know if you can see him. So kayaking here in Tofino. I really didn't think I would be kayaking here when I saw the waves this week. But this low tide and basically the waves are absent. I was too chicken to go in the waves. I'm not equipped for that and I'm freezing right now. So I'm gonna have to get better equipment. I mean, the kayak is fine. It's so stable. The problem is what I'm wearing. I'm not adequately dressed for this.